Hey, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiwi Brian. If today happens to be your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more important content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so that you can receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Hit on the like button if you really enjoy this video. And also don't forget to drop your comments and suggestions. And also don't be selfish. Share this video to your friends and family members so that they can also get the benefits of this video.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can use midnight data during the daytime. Yes, it is very possible. I know you are astonished over hearing this, and this is going to be taught here. So watch this video to an end without skipping any part of this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates to keep us moving as well. So we all know that normal data bundles are expensive as compared to the midnight data bundle. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can use the midnight during the daytime. You can use you can buy the normal data bundle at 3 cedis and you get around 471 megabytes as that's the special offer. But for the midnight you can use 3 Ghana cedis and get as much as 8.59 gig, which you can use it during the day, and this is the right source for you to learn how you can use it during the day. So stay with me as I move with this video. So let's bounce back to this video without wasting my time.